twongeye kubasuza mu mukurikira True program.
We are greeting you following True program.
Nkuko bisanzwe twagarutse.
As usual, we came back.
Uyu munsi rero dufite ibintu bidasanzwe.
Today we have special things.
Ngira ngo murabona ko turi kumwe n'umuntu udasanzwe.
You know that we are with a special person.
Turi kumwe n'umwana mutoya.
We are with a little girl.
Umwana urimo ubwenge bw'Imana.
A girl with God's knowledge.
Yitwa Keila.
Her name is Keila.
Keila asuhuza abantu.
Hello everyone.
Aha, iyi ni True program rero.
This is True program.
Niki tugiye kuvugaho rero?
What are we going to talk about?
Niki tugiye kubabwira?
What are we going to tell you?
Uyu munsi dufite amagambo adasanzwe.
Today we have special words.
Nkuko bisanzwe,
as usual,
True tuvuga ko
True tells us
dufata amagambo yo muri Bibiliya,
we get Bible words,
tukayasoma,
we read them,
tukayakuramo ubuzima bufatika.
and we can change them into lifestyle.
Niki tugiye kuvuga uyu munsi rero?
What are we going to talk about today?
Tugiye kuvuga ku nkuru idasanzwe.
We are going to talk about a special story.
Inkuru dusanga muri Samuel wa kabiri.
A story we found at 2 Samuel.
Ibice 12.
Chapter 12.
Umurongo wa 20.
Verse 20.
Iratubwira inkuru iva kuri Dawidi.
It tells us a story from David.
Igaragaza icyo bita ngo imbaraga ziva mu kwihangana.
It tells us that power from patience.
Ese ni gute izo mbaraga ziva mu kwihangana?
How does that power come from patience?
Iryo jambo ritubwira ukuntu Dawidi yahuye n'ibibazo.
It tells us that David has been through trouble.
Ubwo yari afite umwana wari urwaye.
When he had a sick child.
Uwo mwana yari arwaye cyane.
His child was sick.
Ndetse yendaga gupfa.
And he was about to die.
Igihe cyarageze rero Dawidi afata igihe cyo gusenga.
The time reached when David decided to pray.
Yatekerezaga ko nasenga umwana ari bukire.
He had imagined that when he had prayed.
Bibiliya iravuga ngo Dawidi yarasenze cyane.
The Bible said that David prayed.
Ariko ntibyabuza umwana gupfa.
And that didn't mean that his child wouldn't die.
Nyuma y'uko umwana apfuye,
after the child died,
Bibiliya iravuga ngo Dawidi yarishimye.
The Bible said that David was happy.
Ngo kubera yuko Imana ariko yari yabihisemo.
That God decided that to happen.
Nyuma yaho rero,
after that,
Dawidi afata ibintu atarasanzwe akora.
David decided to do some things that he wasn't usually doing.
Bigaragaza kwishima.
That shows happiness.
Ubundi arishimye.
After he was happy.
Niki rero twabwira abantu?
What can we tell you people?
Mu bibazo uhura nabyo.
With the problems you meet.
Mu burwayi uhura nabwo.
The sickness you meet.
Icyo gihe ugomba kwishima.
That time you have to be happy.
Ukamenya ko ariko Imana yabishatse.
You know that God has decided that.
Igihe wabuze umuntu yapfuye.
When you have lost someone who died.
Igihe wabonye umuntu arwaye.
When you have seen someone sick.
Igihe wahuye n'ibibazo bitandukanye.
When you have met some troubles.
Nta kindi kintu ukwiriye gukora.
You have nothing to do.
Ukwiriye gushima Imana.
Apart from praying.
Kuko iba yabyemeye.
Because he had decided that to happen.
Na Dawidi rero nta kindi kintu yakoze.
David did that.
Aho kurira.
Instead of crying.
Yahisemo guseka.
He decided to smile.
Aho kubabara.
Instead of being worried.
Yahisemo kwishima.
He decided to be happy.
Turabashimira rero mwe mukurikira True program.
We thank you people who continue following True program.
Turabashimira ko mukomeza kubana natwe.
We thank you for being with us.
Namwe aho kugira ngo mujye mubabara.
Even you, instead of being worried,
murema ibyishimo muri mwebwe.
You make happiness into you.
Mumenye ko nta kindi kintu Satani yiba.
Remember that nothing that Satan steals.
Icyo abashaka ni ibyishimo byanyu.
Only that he wants that happiness from you.
Mugerageze rero gushaka ibyishimo.
Just bring happiness into you.
Nibyo Imana ibashakamo.
That's what God wants from you.
Mwakoze kudukurikira.
Thank you everyone for following us.
Naho utaha.
See you next time.
Imana ibahe umugisha.
God bless you.